Hello, myself Bhaskar Sharma from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. I will give a demo lecture of protective relay part 1. In this lecture, we discuss about some topics that is introduction, what is a relay, diagram of protective relay, component of protective relay, functional characteristics of protective relay, terms related to protective relay, and last one is the conclusion. Introduction. The protective relay is a device that is designed to trip a circuit breaker when fault is detected. Protective relay were electromagnetic device. It is operating on moving parts to provide detection of abnormal condition. In continuation with the introduction, electromechanical protective relay used at hydroelectric plant. The relay are in round glass cases. The need to act quickly to protect circuit to protect equipment and trip a breaker within a few thousandths of second. Now in this slide we discuss about the what is relay, or in other words we can define the relay. A relay is an automatic device which senses an abnormal condition of electric circuit and closes its contact. A protection relay is a smart device that receives inputs, compares them to set points, and provide outputs. In continuation of the relay, input can be current, voltage, resistance, or temperature. Outputs can include visual feedback in the form of indicator lights. This is the basic diagram of protective relay, where input quantity is the current, voltage, insulation, and temperature, and pickup level of time, that is the setting. We give the input as a protective relay and the output in form of visual indication, warning alarm, and remove power. Next, in this slide, we discuss about the component of protective relay. First one is the input. A relay needs information from the system to make decision. Second one is setting. The user program setting that allow ready to make decision. Third one is process. Once input are connected and settings are programmed, the relay compares there and make decision. In continuation with the component of protective relay, the last one, that is fourth one, is the output. The relay will operate a switch to indicate that the input has surpassed a setting, or the relay can provide notification through visual feedback such as meter or LED, that is light emitting diode. Now in this slide we discuss about the functional characteristics of relay. There are four functional characteristics. First one simplicity, second one reliability, third one sensitivity, and fourth one is the robustness in construction. Now we will discuss about the functional characteristics of relay. First one is the speed. A protective relay must operate at required speed. It should neither to be slow or nor to be fast. Second one is sensitivity. A relay may be sufficiently sensitive so that it operates reliably when required under the actual condition in the system, which produce the least tendency for operation. This is the simply plot between the power transmitted through the line and operating time. When three-phase fault occur in the line, the power transmitted through the line is very less as compared to other types of fault, that is LG, LL, and double LG fault. Terms related to protective relay. First one, the pickup level of actuating signal. The value of actuating quantity, that is voltage or current, which on threshold above which is relay initiate to be operated. Reset level. The value of electric current or voltage below which a relay open its contact and comes in original position. Operating time of relay. The time which elapses between the instant when actuating quantity exceeds the pickup value to the instant when the relay contacts close. Reset time. The time which elapses between the instant when the actuating quantity becomes less than reset value to the instant when relay contacts return to its normal position. Primary relay. The relay which are connected directly in the circuit to be protected. Secondary relay. The relay which are connected in the circuit to be protected through current and potential transformer. Auxiliary relay. The relay which operate in response to opening or closing of its operating circuit to assist another relay in the performance of its function. Reach. A distance relay operates whenever the impedance seen by the relay is less than a pre-specified value. Under reached value. The tendency of relay to return at the set value of impedance or impedance lower than the set value is known as under reach. Overreach. The tendency of the relay to operate at impedances larger than its setting. Now we will discuss about the conclusion. It provides the basic introduction of protective relay and discusses the diagram of protective relay, functional characteristics of relay and terms related to the relay. Thank you.